Hi, this is Wendy Schoaf, Redwood City Residential Real Estate Specialist. I'm back at 1726 Maryland Street in Redwood City, the Woodside Plaza neighborhood, and I'm here to check out what's new at our rebuild project. Ruben Satoris is the developer, and he's really moving stuff along with his crews. So we're in part 4 of the development phase. The walls have been taken out. We're down to the framing studs, and the new framing's been added for the family room. The windows have come out so that new windows can be put in, and the concrete's been cut so that the plumbing can go into the new bathroom suites as well. So come on, join me, take a look at what's new.